Hello guys, if you want to place display cars inside your garage in Forza Horizon 6, then here's how you can do it. First, you want to head into the garage customization menu. Once you are in there, open the prop library by pressing the menu button on Xbox or the options button on PlayStation. After that, scroll through the categories until you find the garage locator section. You can switch to it by pressing RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation. Now inside this section, you'll find the display car locators. So let's just place one down over here as an example, and there we go, the locator has been added. You can place multiple display car locators around your garage, but to unlock more of them, you need additional garage slots. Some player houses in the game give you extra garage slots as a perk, and those extra slots let you place more display car locators. So if you cannot place more right now, you probably need to buy another player house first. Once you are done placing them, just save the garage layout. You can name it if you want, but I'm just going to quickly save it like this. After saving, go back into the garage menu, then head over to the display cars option. From here, you can choose any car that you want to showcase. So let's just pick this one as an example, and there we go. Now if you enter the garage view, the car should appear exactly where the locator was placed. You can also move the locator around later, rotate it and adjust the angle so your cars are positioned however you want inside the garage. And that's basically it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.